Hi guys, it's me again. My name is Mitzi Gonzaga from BTLAHA 1A. So for today's video guys, I will be explaining what I understand in week 1 topic, no, which is Introduction to ICT and its relevance in society. So the understanding of this topic, Introduction to ICT and its relevance in society, is information and communication technology, or ICT, integrates telecommunication, computing, and digital tools to facilitate information access, storage, and transmission. It includes telecommunication network, computing system, and software application that enhance connectivity and efficiency in various sectors. ICT is essential in modern life, shaping communication, work, and information access. The scope of ICT covers telecommunication, computing device, and software application that mm, enable global connectivity, data processing, and automation. Key characteristics include speed, efficiency, and interconnectivity, being ICT driving force in today's Digital world. ICT has evolved from early communication tools like the telegraph to modern innovations such as smartphones, artificial intelligence or AI, and the Internet of Things. This advancement continue to improve industries and daily life through smart solutions that optimize processes and decision making. In various sectors naman, ICT plays a crucial role. Education benefits from learning and AI-driven learning. Businesses leverage e-commerce and remote network, and healthcare utilize telemedicine and digital health records. However, guys, challenges like the digital drive, cybersecurity threats, and privacy concerns persist. In daily life, no, ICT enhance communication, entertainment, and convenience through instant messaging, streaming, devices, smart homes, and GPS technology. While ang ICT naman greatly improves quality of life, no? Nag-adapt din siya to its advancement and addressing